Hi friends, welcome back to your channel Spykar. In this one, I'm going to test the Type-C earphone support test in the Realme GT Neo 2 and the Realme X1 Max device. So this is another question which has been asked by few of my subscribers asking me to test this Type-C earphones, whether this will be supported in these two smartphones or not. The main reason is because if you're not aware of this thing, only few phones will be able to support the Type-C earphones. So that's the one thing you should definitely understand before actually spending the money and buying the Type-C earphones. So instead of making a video on this particular topic, let's see which phone supports the Type-C earphones after the box. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. Because nowadays we are getting the phones without any kind of 3.5mm jack, and a few of the people, they don't like to carry the dongle along with them. So it's good to have this kind of Type-C earphones as well with you. And right now these are the Type-C earphones which are from the Samsung AKG earphones, as you can see. Samsung Type-C earphones. Let's see friends whether this will be supported in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not. So this is a Realme GT Neo 2, then I'll try to test on the Realme X1 Max as well. So as soon as we connect the Type-C earphone, we should be able to see some kind of notification on the top. So we are not seeing any kind of notification, right? So don't worry about that, because you need to enable the OTG connection. So what you need to go to the settings and go to the additional settings, and now try to enable the OTG connection. Then you can actually get the indication of the headphones. As you can see, now we got the indication. Fine. So whenever you connect the Type-C earphones, this is the process friends. You need to always enable the OTG connection. Not only in this phone, even in other phones, whatever you're trying to use, sometimes it will not detect automatically. So you need to enable this permission. So once you give the permissions, so I think you'll be able to access the different volume enhancement options which will be enabled. You can actually enable a lot of all these kind of options as well. So which is a pretty basic thing. And now it's time to check whether we can actually hear any kind of audio or not. Let me try to open. So is the earphones, and let me try to start playing the music. I think it's kind of working fantastic friends without any kind of issues. Type-C earphones. So it's really good to have this kind of Type-C earphones friends directly connected to the phone, as you can see, without any kind of dongle and any kind of disturbance. So even there won't be any kind of latency problem as well while gaming if you try to connect this kind of Type-C earphones. But right now it's very hard to find Type-C earphones in the market as well, in case if you're planning to buy one. But overall these are working completely fine without any kind of problem in the Realme GT Neo 2. Now let's check in the Realme X1 Max what happens to this phone, whether this phone supports any kind of Type-C or not. So we don't require any kind of Type-C because we do have the 3.5mm jack anyway. We won't be using especially, but in case if you want to use any kind of Type-C earphones or Type-C headphones, so this will be a really good example to see what is happening. Same thing friends, you don't get any kind of indication on the top. You need to go to the additional settings and enable the OTG connection. As soon as you enable the OTG connection, you'll be able to see headphones animation came. As you can see friends clearly, no issues. Now let me start playing the audio. Let me to open the music option and let's play. Yes, it's actually working without any kind of problem. As you can see, it's perfectly working without any kind of issues. Even if you try to use Type-C earphones or maybe Type-C headphones also, it should be working completely fine in the Realme X1 Max and the Realme GT Neo 2. I just want to demonstrate in front of the camera so you can actually have a clear idea what is going on. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.